Hi everyone, welcome back. This time it is my weekly meal planning video. Before I get started, I want to introduce you to Kala's Kitchen. She is wonderful, sweet, and a very kind YouTuber. Please watch and support her channel. You will fall in love with her. Coming back to our home, this is how it looked like in the weekend. We got 3 feet of snow and there was no chance of getting out. So I decided to make the best use of my time by meal prepping. I was out of rasam powder and chutney powder, so I roasted everything and kept it ready. I grinded the idli batter and pesrattu batter for the week. And then I soaked a bunch of beans, roasted peanuts for the chutney. So I soaked different kinds of beans for Indian dishes, Mexican dishes, as well as Italian dishes. So everything is soaked. Now I'm going to pressure cook everything together. I maximize the usage of pressure cooker just to be more efficient and to save time. This is how I arrange everything. Make sure you use the right size of dishes or vessels or inserts, you can call it anything. So have my beans, and also I cut up a few potatoes in halves and I have put in there as well. I can use it for curries or sandwiches. This really helps me for snack time. And now I'm going to arrange everything in the pressure cooker, and now it is all cooked. I'm going to take it all out and I'm going to put it in the refrigerator. This is how everything is cooked. I'm all set for the week. Now I will store everything away in the refrigerator and use it as needed during the week. You don't have to do too many dishes. You can store these bowls as is. You don't have to rewash everything. Save your time and you will like it. And now this is how I store it. I put all these little bowls in a bigger Tupperware container, just put it in the fridge and take it out and use as needed. And coming back to my chickpeas and my rajma, I just leave it in the container and put it in the fridge. You can put a wrap on it or a lid and leave it in the fridge. And now coming back to my cooker, before I wash it, I want to cook the tamarind in for my tamarind paste, because we use a lot of tamarind in my house for sambars, chutneys, and for curries. Now the tamarind is also cooked in the pressure cooker. I ran the handheld food processor, and now I'm sieving it. One tip for sieving tamarind: use a bigger sieve, don't use the tiny one. And now my tamarind pulp is also ready and I'm all set. Thank you so much for watching. Bye for now. Take care.